Chainlink up a modest 16% on the day at $28. Where's the end? Well, we're going to look at it right now, but it's time. Daily chart to start us off with, then we're going to zoom out to the weekly, and we're even going to look at a bigger scale chart and blow your mind. All right, so if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want more help navigating this cycle, you want more requests, you want more daily content to help you navigate all the ins and outs, consider subscribing through Patreon. You can find that link below. You get access to our private Telegram alerts group, and you can gain from my experience being in crypto every day since 2017. All right, so here we go. Daily breakout to the high side after being rejected from $26 for the better part of a week. But the significant point is where we held the line, right? 1, 2, 3 consecutive days at the 21 EMA, right? The 21 EMA is the pivot point on any chart, Chainlink included, when you're looking to maintain your bullish momentum. And when you do it for 3 consecutive days, you're going to get the anti-gravity move. That's what we're seeing, right? A big move, right? Not because of anything other than this, right? You're building momentum, you're holding and showing and proving the bulls are still here. But if you zoom out, you can notice that this was beyond bullish because we were consolidating back to the low side and while maintaining price above our previous high. And this zone becomes a little bit more evident as we zoom out. So let's do just that. How about we go to the 3-day first? Look at this move, right? The breakout to new highs from back in early December, the move back down to the EMA 8 on the 3-day, which is also above your previous high. It's like written right in the charts. This is textbook what you're going to do to rip to the upside, right? And now our next target is right here at the macro 786 from last cycle, 3182, right around that area. We're very close now, but the higher time frame charts get even more exciting. Okay, so the previous peaks from our end of cycle last bull run, late 2021, right there, back-to-back peaks. I would expect to find some kind of hesitation around that area. So from 30 all the way up to, a little bit higher than 30. And this will be backed up a little bit more as we zoom out even more, right? So we have high wicks back from February 2021, high in September 2021, November 2021, right before the bear started. We're probably going to see something there. But do we have to stop until there? Hell no. We could continue on our merry way. And that is the odds, right? Look at the Bollinger Bands. You can't even see the damn bottom one. It's diverging so hard away from the top one. The mouth is wide open. Look how compact this got, right? When you have Bollinger Bands squeeze up like that and you start to see price movement, you don't want to be fading that, right? And that's, it's just right here. Like it's textbook picture perfect. The flannel is on. We are full go. Full send. The weekly chart zoomed out even more. Breakthrough. Close above the 618. Close above previous highs. It's written. Teleport. Back to the MA8. Hold it. Nuke bounce. I'd be shocked if we're not right at the 786 here momentarily. So before we move down again, I would guess we are going to see a 3 in the price front. So range highs, weekly, right? Same vibes. Now, the 786 is there. But this short term, from our March highs to our lows in August, the 1618 there is at 43. That would put us in rare air. We've only seen one candle close above that level on the weekly. That was May of 2021. How about some more exciting news? Okay. You might say, well, we're getting overextended here. We've gone too far, too quick. Excuse me. No, let's go back in history. I would say this is just unusual for the past couple of years, but Chainlink, once it gets going, don't even want to start going back earlier times, 2019, the big move, right? We've done similar moves to this right now. Consolidate back to the EMA 8, massive bounces, right? Let's look at the next big move. Break up, right? New highs, right? Consolidate for a couple of weeks, massive big moves. Holding all along on the weekly EMA 8. Tap the EMA 8, rip. Tap the EMA 8, rip, right? Hold that EMA 8 and you can continue higher. Why are we saying that? Well, It's important to watch. We just got our first tap of the EMA 8. All the same time, closing above the 618, closing above previous high. This is just getting going. So if we move down, you're watching the EMA 8. If you close under that, okay, then we have maybe some consolidation head. Who cares? This is phase 3 of the bull, not to be faded. The 2618 on the micro right here from this short term, 123. The 2618 and the 1618 on the macro is at 230. So we're doing what we need to do, right? Every video for Chainlink, we're saying like we have to wait and see how Chainlink performs when alt season gets. It's doing pretty damn good. For a multi-billion-dollar market cap to be moving 16% in a given day and outperforming a majority, if not most of the market, is exactly what I wanted to have happen. So good sign so far for Chainlink. So those high targets, definitely triple digits still on the cards, right? Should happen. I mean, we're more than a quarter of the way now, and we haven't even really started a full alt season, right? 200. Are we still on the cards? Because of the price action today and this week and our bounce off of, the 618 or EMA 8, everything we've said in the whole damn video. Have you been listening? Right? That's the recipe is there. Can Chainlink continue to melt faces? Well, it's doing a pretty damn good job. Right? We were just at $10 a month and a half ago, right? Patience, no more. We're doing it. We're putting in the work. Okay, so let's get to the exciting chart. The 3-month, the quarterly chart. We are potentially in the next 19 days, we close this, right? Towards the end of the year, right? The actual end, right? January 1st, this closes. We have a chance and a good chance to close our highest candle ever. All-time high close. What is it now? I'm glad you asked. $29.40. We've never closed above $30. Right? What did we just say? We have a great chance of hitting 3 before any kind of consolidation. So look at this chart. This looks like it was building a monumental base, and it's just starting to wake up. Just starting to wake up. A move out of the bear right here. Consolidation, throwback to the 21 EMA, the yellow line. Massive bounce, up a modest 135% on this candle. Can we get to and close above the 786, $32? It would be our all-time high close, and we could do it in just over 2 weeks. Hell yeah. We're getting flannel tattoos here. Right. Okay. Quote and card of the day. Let's do our quote first. Order simplification are the first steps towards the mastery of a subject. Couldn't agree more. Mastery of a subject. Lamborghini's kind of got this one down. Let's get the beauty back in here. Right? Any guesses? Huracan Performante and the matte black. If you guessed that, kudos. There's the rear. Fantastic. All right. Lamborghini. Chainlink. Blue. What am I doing? How did I not find a blue wrapped Lambo? What am I doing? I lose points on that. My bad. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Chainlink, rockets out, flannel out, neon on.